In a world overwhelmed by megapixels, specs, and iterative upgrades, there are cameras that remind us why we fell in love with photography in the first place. This is one of them. The Leica Q4 is not just a camera, it's a statement. An instrument of visual poetry crafted with the precision of a Swiss watchmaker and the soul of a street shooter. But does it live up to the mythos? Today, in our deep dive review, we're putting the Leica Q4 through its paces. From design and ergonomics to that brand new sensor, from iconic color science to the improved autofocus and surprising video chops, yes, we're unpacking everything. So grab a seat and let's explore why the Leica Q4 might just be the most emotionally resonant compact full-frame camera ever made. Let's begin with what Leica arguably does better than almost any other camera maker: design and build quality. The Leica Q4 is a masterclass in both, carrying forward the distinctive visual DNA of the Q series, clean, minimal, and unmistakably Bauhaus-inspired in its geometric clarity and lack of clutter. From a distance, it may look similar to its predecessor, but upon closer inspection, the refinements begin to emerge. The Q4 is milled from a single solid block of aluminum, giving it an industrial yet elegant feel. It's then wrapped in a newly designed leatherette that's slightly grippier than before, striking a perfect balance between luxury and utility. This isn't just a premium camera made to impress on a shelf, it's a long-term photographic companion built to endure decades of use. Every physical interaction has been thoughtfully engineered. The tactile response of the shutter button, the deliberate click of a dial, the feel of metal beneath your fingers. All of it is dialed in to feel analog and intentional, never hollow or overly digital. Leica has trimmed a few grams off the Q3's weight, but the Q4 retains a robust, reassuring density that immediately conveys durability. Ergonomics has received subtle yet meaningful updates. The thumb rest has a deeper, more natural curve, while the hand grip feels more sculpted and organic, ideal for long shooting sessions without strain. The shutter button is lower in profile and significantly quieter, yet remains satisfyingly responsive. On the top plate, you'll find milled metal dials with satisfying detents, one for shutter speed, the other for exposure compensation. There's no pass-M dial here. Leica trusts its users to think photographically. Aperture control remains on lens. ISO is accessed via menu or custom dial. It's refreshingly minimalist. The new 5.76 million dot OLED EVF with 0.79x magnification is bright, clear, and nearly blackout-free. The rear 3.2 touchscreen finally tilts, a first for the Q series, but tucks neatly into the body, preserving the Q4's sleek, monolithic aesthetic. It's tradition, refined for the modern era. Now let's talk about what's inside. The new sensor. The Leica Q4 features a brand new 60 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, the same generation found in the M11, but paired here with a fixed Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH lens, it creates an optimized optical system that's more than the sum of its parts. Resolution is astonishing. At 60 megapixels, the files offer deep crop flexibility without compromising on tonality. Fine detail, from facial pores to architectural filigree, is captured with surgical precision. But crucially, it doesn't feel clinical. The rendering retains a natural filmic texture that evokes analog imagery. The sensor outputs 14-bit DNG RAWs and full-res JPEGs with Leica's color profiles baked in. Dynamic range? Over 14 stops. You can recover deep shadows and pulled highlights with grace. Files are malleable and forgiving. ISO performance is excellent. At base ISO 64, noise is virtually non-existent. Even ISO 3200 holds strong for documentary-style low-light work. But what sets this sensor apart is its tonal separation. Skin tones feel organic. Greens have depth, not digital neon. Highlights roll off softly, especially in natural light. There's a cinematic quality that's hard to quantify, but easy to recognize. It's that Leica looks alive, dimensional, emotional. And that Summilux lens? Razor sharp in the center, wide open with pleasing vignette and fall off toward the edges. The lens and sensor are co-engineered, and it shows. Chromatic aberration is almost non-existent. Distortion is corrected optically, and flare control is superb. Micro contrast is where this combo shines. Edge acuity is matched by mid-tone richness. And if 60 megapixel feels like overkill, there's a 36 megapixel and 18 megapixel binning option built in for faster workflow or low light shooting without sacrificing color fidelity. Color. It's what defines a camera's soul. And no brand understands this better than Leica. The Q4 continues Leica's legendary tradition with some of the most nuanced, painterly color rendering available in any digital camera today. At the heart of this is Leica's natural image look, NIL profile, available in both JPEG output and as metadata in raw DNG files. These profiles are engineered for subtle tonality, especially in skin tones and natural textures. Reds lean warm, but never exaggerated. Blues are deep yet true to life. Greens retain their individuality without being crushed into generic forest tones. If you're shooting portraits, you'll notice skin tones that glow naturally with no need. For LUTs or heavy color grading, the warmth feels cinematic, not artificial. Compared to Sony's occasional magenta bias, or Fujifilm's cooler, film-simulated palette, Leica lands in a rare Goldilocks zone, warm, natural, and elegant. Color consistency is also a major strength. In mixed lighting, tungsten, LED, HDMI, or daylight, the Q4 maintains control over color casts with remarkable consistency. Auto-white balance trends warm, but remains intelligent and never overcorrects. For professionals, manual Kelvin control is available for complete precision in studio settings. Dynamic range plays a critical role here, particularly in how the Q4 handles highlight roll-off. You can recover exposure without sacrificing color integrity or introducing plasticky tones. Leica's DNG files are also incredibly forgiving in post. Whether using Lightroom or Capture One, colors can be pushed for contrast or saturation without breaking down. No banding, no weird hue shifts. Color gradation is smooth, almost analog in feel. Even JPEGs straight out of the Q4 can rival lightly. Graded RAW files from other systems, it's that refined. If you've used older Leica compacts or rangefinders, you probably know autofocus was never their strong suit. But with the Q4, that changes dramatically. Leica has introduced an all-new hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection, contrast detection, and depth mapping. The result is a huge leap in speed and accuracy. You now get 315 focus points spread across the sensor, enabling real-time subject tracking, face and eye detection, and an overhauled autofocus algorithm that feels snappy, confident, and reliable. In good lighting, autofocus is exceptionally fast. Tap to focus on the rear touchscreen responds almost instantly. Face and eye tracking are impressively sticky, especially for moving subjects like people walking or turning. Even in low light, the AF holds its own surprisingly well. While it may not match the blazing speed of Sony's A7R5, it's still fast enough for street, portrait, documentary, and travel photography. Missed focus shots are rare, and often more about user error than the camera's AF system. The upgraded Maestro Q4 processor plays a big role here, boosting not just autofocus speed, but also burst shooting. The Q4 can shoot at 9 frames per second with continuous autofocus, or up to 15 fps with fixed focus. Buffer depth is good for about 50 plus DNG files before you notice any slowdown, which is more than enough for most situations. Manual focus is still an option for purists, enhanced by excellent focus peaking and magnification tools. The lens's fly-by-wire focusing ring is smooth and responsive, offering a premium manual feel. Menu navigation is a breeze. Leica's user interface remains minimalist, elegant, and functional. No endless submenus or complicated settings. Everything you need feels one tap away. Custom buttons are fully reassignable, letting you instantly switch frame lines, digital, crop modes, 35mm, 50mm, 75mm, or focus modes. Battery life is also improved. It's rated for about 600 shots, CIPA, but real-world use often exceeds that with conservative screen and EVF use. Leica and video. It's always been a complex story. Historically, Leica cameras haven't been known for cinematic capabilities. They've been built for stills, for the contemplative shooter, not the content creator. But with the Leica Q4, things take a significant turn. This is the first Q-series camera that truly steps into the hybrid era, offering a compelling package for both photographers and videographers. On paper, the specs are finally competitive. You get 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, beautifully oversampled 4K at 60p, and Full HD up to 120p for slow motion work. Crucially, internal recording supports 10-bit 4.2.2 color depth, allowing for rich post-production flexibility. H.265 compression is available for efficiency, and external recorders can unlock ProRes workflows. Leica also includes its flat color, profile, L-Log, which gives you an impressive dynamic range, close to 13 stops, and excellent flexibility in color grading. Image quality is exceptional, just as you'd expect from a Leica. Footage is crisp, colors are rich yet natural, and skin tones carry that signature Leica warmth. Autofocus during video isn't the fastest. It's no Canon dual pixel AF, but it's smooth, accurate, and ideal for slower, more cinematic movements. Rolling shutter is present in 8K during fast pans, but in 4K it's very well managed. Digital stabilization pairs well with the lens's optical IS, resulting in footage that's quite stable for handheld shooting. However, it's not without flaws. The lack of full manual controls for video is disappointing. Audio support is limited. There's no built-in mic input unless you use a USB-C adapter. There's also no waveform, no false color, and the rear display doesn't fully articulate. In the end, the Q4 is not a cinema camera, but for casual creators, travel vloggers, or those needing a stylish B-cam with Leica's image magic, the Leica Q4 offers surprisingly capable and beautiful video, a true hybrid at last. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.